Hello everyone and welcome to Entrant. Are we all ready to learn more in the chapter 3? So let's get started. So we were talking about the method 2 which would help and make our addition simpler. So method 2 is mostly similar to method 1. If you remember, in method 1 we did 30 plus 3 plus 50 plus 6 30 plus 50 plus 3 plus 6. We are doing the same thing, but instead of writing it like this again, we would just do this step and group. For example, we divide 33 into 30 and 3 and 50 into 50, 56 into 50 and 6. Now group 30 and 50 and group 3 and 6. Okay, we can avoid this step. So directly we have 30 plus 50 as 80 and 3 plus 6 as 9. So we get 89 over here. Alright, simple. Okay, let's do the same here. 37 can be written as 30 and 7. 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. Now group 30 and 20 and group 7 and 2. Okay. So 30 and 20 gives us 50, right? And 7 and 2 gives us 9. So we have 59 as the answer. We have missed one step, this one. That's why we have the remaining boxes, okay? So don't worry about that. We can just ignore this step and make our calculation even faster, okay? Here 73 can be written as 70 and 3 and 24 can be written as 20 and 4. Now what do we do? 70 and 20, 3 and 4, right? So I will just write it directly. 70 and 20 is 90, 3 and 4 is 7. We get 97 as our answer. Clear? Next, 56 and 21. Again, same, right? Ignoring one step, 77, 77 as our answer, right? Alright, now do these like this only, but I would not do this with you. Do it on your own and check the answers with me. Okay, now we have these as our answers. You can verify it. So here we have a story. So there was this baby lion who was very upset and lost, and he was looking out for his mother. So he was seen by a mama deer, and she just took him to her home, to her place. Okay, obviously the place had many other animals as well. So all the other animals were very scared that, oh my god, that's a lion, right? That's a baby lion. So he could eat any of them. So baby deer was like, no, no. Mama deer was like, no, no. He's just a baby. He's here till he finds out where his mother is. Okay. So everyone agreed. So next day, the baby lion found out his mother, and he met her and left the place and said thank you and everything. So after he left, every animal, all the other animals said that, okay, you know what? There were 240 of us in total before the lion came in. So let's just check that if the number is still the same. Otherwise, we would get to know that the lion ate someone, right? So Tilu is an animal, and he said that he counted and he said there were 27 rabbits and 48 deers. Okay, and another animal, old deer, counted and said there were 124 birds and 38 rats. Okay, now 27 rabbits and 48 deers. Okay, 27 and 48. Okay, now let's check that total how many rabbits and deers we have. So we will see tens, ones, hundreds, right? So there are 27 rabbits. So how many tens? 2, right? 22. And 7, how many ones? 7, right? Similarly, for 48 deers, we have 4 tens and 8 ones. So total, how many do we have? 9, oh sorry, 15 and 7, right? So we have total 75 rabbits and deers. Clear? Now, we have 75 of them. Now we have how many birds and rats? Again, we will do the same, hundreds, tens and ones. This will make our calculation easy. Okay. So we have 124 birds. How many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 2. How many ones? 4. And how many rats do we have? 38. How many tens? 3. How many ones? 8. Total, how many do we have? 162. Okay. So we had to check if the total animals were 240 or not. So let's just add 162 and 75. Hundreds, tens, ones. How many hundreds? 1, 6, 2. 75. Okay. Let's just add 237 in total. Now we had 240, right? So what do we conclude? The baby lion has eaten 3 animals, right? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, now a bulb producing factory made 270 bulbs on one day and 123 bulbs on another day. Okay, we will just add and we get 393 bulbs in total, correct? Okay, now a shopkeeper has 153 candles. He gave Paris gave him 237 more. Okay, so how many does he have now? 390, right? The ant here is asking, who is very sad apparently, is the sum more than 400 or less than 400? 390 is less than 400, right? Okay, clear? Here, a train compartment carries 132 people, another compartment is carrying 129 people. How many people are there in both the compartments? Simple. We add 9 plus 2, 11, 6, 261 people in total. Clear? Here, Shanu has 138 pebbles and Kareem has 44. So, total how many pebbles? 182, right? Now, here, there are some girls and boys who like oranges and mangoes, and we just have to do the total. To get the total of girls, we will add these two. So, we will have 136 and 240, 376. Okay. To get the total boys, we have these two numbers. 371. Now if we want to know that how many students, both girls and boys, like mangoes, we will add these two. So 136 plus 128, 264. How many students like mangoes? 240 and 243, 483. And how many students are there in total? 376, 371, 714, 747. Clear? Now let's answer these questions. How many students in the school like oranges? Total students 264 who like oranges. How many students like mangoes? Total 483 students who like mangoes. How many students in total? 747. Is the number of girls in school more than 350 or less than 350? Total number of girls are 376, so more than 350. Okay, with this we pack up the third chapter of our math NCERT. Keep practicing and keep looking out for more videos. Thank you.